Hello everybody and happy Sunday. In this video, we are going to talk about PUA. There's a lot of stuff going on. Appeals. When will we receive our tax forms, Sal? Also, overpayments and how do I address an appeal and apply for another appeal. Hello everybody, I'm Sal CAPANO. Welcome to this channel. I greatly appreciate you tuning in on this wild card weekend in football. Okay, real quick, this video won't take long. First thing first, I'm going to cover the 1099 IRS tax forms. It's still early. I know everyone's got appointments for the taxes, but they know what's going on. If you can opt out and have them mailed to you, if you don't go online into your PUA account, they will be mailed to you. Probably at the end of the month, at the latest. If you could try going on, if you can still get on. I know I live here in Nevada. You're allowed to still go on. They didn't turn the light switch off. And it'll have the 2020 taxes, the 2020-21 taxes, and you should be able to click that, but I don't think it's going to download yet because I don't think they're quite ready yet. Remember, you need to claim that money. I recommend to try to pay an accountant or a CPA, excuse me, to get it done professionally, to get all your necessary write-offs. Because remember, this year, the $10,200 that President Biden implemented to come off is not going to happen. So make sure you go to somebody, an H&R Block or somebody who knows what they're doing so you can get all the write-offs necessary. The next question I have is, well, my appeal. How do I address my appeal, Sal? I made a video just on appeals a couple days ago, but real brief is make sure you put your case number, and before you even start your appeal, don't make it all scientifical. Make sure all your credentials are in. It wouldn't hurt if you have a business license. If you don't have a business license, it's probably okay. Proof of work. Have your business license in there, and then make sure you address it. First of all, your case number, your date, the obvious things, and mention pandemic as many times as you can in your title. I would make it just a paragraph, but very important. You got to make sure you're 100% eligible, meaning you had to be self-employed, a 1099-C, gig worker, Uber driver, Lyft driver, some kind of self-employed that you've done for the 2020 calendar year or 2021, and show proof of that. Also, stay-home mom and dad. I'm hearing some of those are trying to have it tough to get appealed, but it did say in the PUA, if you're a home mom and dad, that you were eligible. So never give up. You're your own attorney. Make sure you have a power bill or things like that. Now, I'm going to move on to something that's very important, overpayment. A lot of the overpayments are because they allowed you to go back. I know in Nevada they did. Each state was different, all the way back to February when the pandemic of 2020, stay with me, started in March of 17. So they allowed you to go back to February. A lot of those weeks they paid you for. Why they had it implemented like that, I don't know. So a lot of those, they caught before it was finished and was taking some of your money out of your weekly WBA and your federal. A lot of them they missed. So they're, let me assure everybody, I do not work for the unemployment, but this is what I'm hearing from my reliable source. So a lot of times they miss and they're asking for it back. So in that case, you can continue to, appeal it, or you can just live with it. But in other events, it's because you are possibly eligible for unemployment. Maybe you were self-employed, but maybe you were employed. So those were some other problems. I'm trying to answer all the questions that I possibly can. I do read all my messages on the PUA Facebook on there. If you have any other questions that I might not be addressing in this, please continue to comment me on this video or my Facebook group. Now, one other thing I want to talk about, and this is very, very important, is the fraud payment on PUA. Even my wife was a victim. I'm hearing, unfortunately, I'm just reporting news, very difficult to get those weeks. Do I agree? No. I would continue to go through fraud department, do the police report online and all that, which my wife and some friends have done. My wife is still waiting for 3 weeks, but here's the deal. You got to battle with fraud first, and then from fraud, PUA. I thought they had a PUA fraud insurance account, but I'm hearing, this is what I'm just hearing. I'm reporting it. I can't believe what I'm hearing. It's, good luck with it, basically, with the fraud. I believe you never give up and continue to battle. And even if you have to address it to the governor of your state, chief of staff, secretary, let them know what's happening, because there was a lot of fraud with unemployment claims and people cloning and that kind of stuff, but then also taking your money from other countries, and you taking that money. So that's your money, you deserve it. I don't know how they can get away with that. So hopefully I covered those important things on the PUA program. I will have another video in a couple days addressing the unemployment side of it. But this video was particularly just on the PUA. I just can't believe I'm here for you. There's so many people who haven't got a dollar and they're 100% eligible. It really bothers me. We're talking $35,000 possible in 2 years. But and it could be just from a simple item, not uploaded, the ID me thing and all that. But these are the things I hope that I addressed it, and I'll just go over them one more time. If you last this long, greatly appreciate it. 1099 forms will be in 2 weeks, okay? And the appeal should be addressed with your case number, and make sure all your necessary documents are in there, including every page of your tax form from 2020 and 2021, particularly if you came in after the December of 2020. These are important things, so you're jumpstart ahead. If you don't have a business license, then make sure you have proof of some kind of from an employer, or from your proof of job, your lease agreement, and that kind of stuff, showing that you're approved. Once again, I'm Sal Capano. It would help me a whole lot if you hit the like button and comment on this video, as it helps our channel grow. I continue to come out with more of these videos when I get the information. Hey, I got an Eagles game to watch here, so go Birds if you're an Eagles fan, or whoever your favorite team is. Once again, enjoy your weekend. I greatly appreciate it. Remember, say hello to somebody. Tomorrow's another day, and there's always a solution on this channel. Have a blessed weekend, everybody. Ciao.